Today we'll talk about how can you change or add your photo profile on your Brainly app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Brainly app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile here. When just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go up of this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on so you click here in this sign here to take you to change your or add your photo profile from your gallery here, and here can you take your photo profile from your camera. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.